Hello, today I'm going to introduce one of the great exhibition and expo related to the METAVERSE 2024, which is held in Seoul, COEX Mall, 26 to 28 June. What I'm going to explain first about some information about the exhibition, and then I go for some project. Later on, I will, in the second part, I will go for the video which I recorded inside the exhibition, which are very interesting for most of the engineers and the researchers, PhD students and professors to feel exactly like they participated in the exhibition. METAVERSE EXPO 2024 website is metavexpo.com/eng/. So I am going to first of all show very important part. As you can see through this website, you can get many information. One of them, there is a two-part which you can access to very nice information. One is the floor plan. If you go for floor plan, you can see the floor plan and the position of the booths and the names of the company participated in this exhibition. You can zoom in to get some information about the company participated through the name. You can search and find their website and some other information, and there is some company which they mention in their Korean name. Another important part which I would like to suggest, which is exhibitor list, is very nice section in this website that would be very useful. Before I dive inside the exhibition, I would like to highly recommend this section. When you go there, what they prepare the one portal which name is Lincoln Biz, actually offline exhibition which is held 26 to 28 of June, but there is an online exhibition which will be continued by April 2025. This information here is available. There is some information about some general information about this exhibition. You can get some general sense of this exhibition through this video. Plus, the important part, they put the information and product of each company which participated in that exhibition. For instance, they make a very nice category which is the Metaverse platform one. Another is the AI, so they make a group, and the another one is the digital twin, hardware device, and conference and seminar. So for instance, if you press view more product, you can find the company which is related to Metaverse platform service. You can get more company here. You know, they categorize and they put many information for each company, their product. All is related to the metaverse platform service. For instance, when you go inside one company, you can see the information of the company, their website, phone number, and their expertise. For instance, medical contents related to this company. And the very interesting thing that they put many exhibition and conferences inside this portal. For instance, if you want to get this is the in healthcare category, but if you go same category for related to other exhibition, this is a very nice point. Or if you want to get VR and AR content, metaverse, even not Korea, in all of the world, in Canada, US, you can find it. But in the way we already started, connected from the exhibition, already talk about the project and product related the company participated. So they try to write some overview of that company, but some information is in Korean and some in English, so no problem, you just use some translate, Google Translate, which you can right click and select translate to English, and you can understand some information. Even when you click, you can get more information. And the interesting thing, popular product from same seller, that we already select one product. As you can see some video, they show the metaverse related to healthcare, so very nice, which you can go to the the YouTube channel of that company to get more information, plus some other product from same company. For instance, this company used the shipyard in the metaverse. So this is the same company, different product. Again, there is a video, very nicely. It looks like you participated in the exhibitions. So that is wonderful. And as well as you can sometimes, if you have some name based on the floor plan, also floor plan is here, you can search some specific company through the searching by product or by seller to find that specific product. So this is the all company's name here, all company name who participated in the metaverse. So that is wonderful. This is not including category, but that part was the category based, but they put all company information. It looks like directory. So it's very wonderful. I think that is enough. We can now dive inside the exhibition. Before we go inside the exhibition, I just remember this is the website which I already connected and I show you. Remember, when you go this website, you need to go to exhibition part, and in the exhibition part you need to go exhibitor list, remember. So just see my note. I prepare some company which is grab my interest, which is one of them was novaflow.kr. They propose some geofencing AR using the GIS concept and AR to create a content like Pokemon Go application, and also they offer some virtual space for XR, extended reality, plus some LMS space, which was interesting for me. Please attention this part. Rather than simply listening to the video, a student play and record the content themselves. Wow, they offer very interesting. That was grabbed my interest. Another company was the Conti Lab company. In the video also you will see, which I recorded. They offer some sensor based and AI based. Through the camera you can point to the worker to find which worker doesn't follow the safety instruction, such as they don't use the safety cap or other thing. You can bring the metaverse based safety social platform or any building information solution as a safety, or put the many camera IoT based and they control whole your building in terms of the eye safety guard, that worker is working good, so follow the safety, how many hours, what is the quality of work. So very nice, and you can see through this YouTube channel to get more information about this company. And another company which grabbed my interest is the Higgs Cyrus brand. They use the blockchain. They offer some machine which you can exercise, simultaneously generate the electricity, plus you can receive some cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. So this sort of machine can be installed in any public area or any governmental section. The people try to generate electricity, do exercise, help to the green zero carbon environment. That was interesting to me. And are also offering one a pop solution, which is create the interactive XR content without any single coding. So that was easy to create the AR XR content. Another was interested for me, and it was awesome, that helping the child to go and to learn what they need to do in a in very dangerous situation. For example, if some accident is going to happen, so they try to train in the close to the reality, not through the text-based teaching. So any other AI animated video and presentation, that was also interesting to me. I think that is enough. Let's dive inside the video which I created by myself inside the exhibition. So when you see this video, you feel that you are inside the exhibition. I use very nice camera, high quality camera, and I ask very nice question. Please attention the question I ask from the exhibitors. Since I am the university professor and I am the researcher, I know how to ask the question and their answer will help you to learn many things. Thank you very much. Have a nice time and enjoy. Please do not forget to press the like button if you like really, and subscribe as well as I would be happy to see any comment to help me, because I just started to create such a video to transfer the knowledge to the researcher. I would be happy to see any pros and cons from the way I started to create this sort of video. Those comments would be very useful for me to see what you are thinking about this sort of media which I created. Thank you very much. Okay, could you please explain about the solution?
Yes, our solution called Defined Spatial Capture. And what we do is using either tablet PC or mobile phone, we scan the actual area. And after that, after the scanning, it creates a map, 3D map. And on the map, you can put any kind of assets that you want to put, which we call a digital information. And after that, any user has their phone, launch our application, and they look around the scan area. They can see these kind of assets directly. You can put any kind of 2D image or 3D asset is possible.
So, is this a platform or you do all the services?
Yes, this is all in one platform.
No. I mean, should I use my own tablet to scan my area, or I
Yes.
should call you?
For the scanning tools, if based on the B2B solution, when they request for us for the scanning, then we do the scanning.
Okay.
And also after the scanning part, editing, it can works in any devices. So do you have any question, sir?
Just a moment. This is on your platform.
Yes.
So, is it free?
For the basic plan is free, but after more there's a 4 steps. So basic, pro, advanced, and
Professional.
Yes, and the price starts from $50 per month. Yes, but for the B2B markets or especially the university want to use it, then for the QR code you can scan it, and there is also English version. When you request for our 6 months free usage, then we'll provide it for free for 6 months.
So the purpose is for exhibition, making some space for exhibition.
So in generally in South Korea, a lot of exhibition hall or museum or also a subway station, they want to use our application, or because we also provide indoor navigation, because since the GPS is not working when you come inside the building, so we create it's called VPS, which is visual positioning system or visual localization. And what we do is by using a camera, only the camera, we figure out the user's position from the camera image. So for that part, so that's the reason why a lot of people want to use it in exhibition hall or subway, and also manufacturing.
So you mean if the user capture a photo around his or her, and then using your platform, you can find his location in that building? Or...
Yes. Find the location. Also, you can search the destination, such as inside the map. So.
And navigate.
Yes, in navigation through AR. So, for example, this is the exceptional example. We scan and it creates a map. After that, this is the route that you can set, and directly
find your destination. Interesting.
And the input is by hand, or you can give some specific location and coordinate to allocate some object, or only it should be by hand?
Only by hand for now.
Okay.
But it won't take that much time because, for example, putting a route is just simple as possible. Oops. Like this. Very simple.
And the only thing that we can share is the link. Am I right?
No. Sure. When you share through a link, if yes, we can also by sharing the link, or if the other user have an application, you can invite through an application.
What you mean?
So this is how you can. So this is the application, and other user can use our application too. But there is a we call. So this is the creating app, but we also have it's called viewer, only for the viewing. Also, we do have viewing application. But when other users have this application,
they should have this. So they don't. Your platform is not in web.
yes, because I think that is one of the problem for these days, because we have tried through web.
Yes.
But Android is fine. But iOS, you know why, right? Because always there's an issue with iOS. Security issue, yes. So they won't let us use the WebXR through iOS. We tried a lot. And a lot of our developers are working with a Visual Slam, Visual Slam technology. But the thing is, always, when we try to do the Slam with iOS, there's always a problem.
Okay. It was excellent.
Okay.
How it's recognized, how it can match the scanned
Scan area?
photos to the
Yes, because when doing the scanning, we get the 3D point cloud data
okay.
directly, and from that data, when we upload it to server, from the server we use our core technology with AI. They calculate and
Find the right
yes.
position of it.
Yes. Quite interesting, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Is it good enough?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, here is a company. Company name is the XR Hub. This company tried to introduce several templates for exhibition, as you can see here.
그리고 여기 있는 기능별로 이제 외부 링크 같은 것도 이거를 줄 수가 있으니까 뭐 커머스 사이트 같은 거, 뭐 결제 사이트를 만들어 놓으시고.
So they offer some template for exhibition. The user they can input the video and images for for this environment. So input would be image and videos and other medias, and then they already have well-designed exhibition which the client can put their images with some more information. Currently, this environment offers in English. So through this link, you can connect to this company's product.
HMD, VR, 메타버스. 이멀시브 VR PC 모바일 버전 그래서 미니맵을 보시면
글로벌.
공간별로 이렇게 이동이 가능하시고 여기에 뭐 얘기를 대화 형식으로 얘기를 하면서 뭐 프로덕트와 뭐 기술에 대해서 소개를 하시고 여기는 이제 바이어 로그인한 유저만 가능합니다. 접속할 보실 수가
The
있어요.
user can log in through
로그인
here.
유저만
Can we control the speaking content or is we cannot? So when explain some videos, can we control the users what they said? We cannot, right? Or is it fixed already?
I'm sorry to this. Can you hear me?
My question is already two people in the inside the exhibition and they are trying to explain some media.
Yeah.
So content is fixed or we can change them, modify.
아이디어.
체인지 이거는 플랫폼이라서 운영할 수 있습니다. 관리자가.
Yeah. What do you mean? Can you change this?
How you change? Is there LLM behind? You can type.
Actually, this is we recording the real human.
Right.
Yeah. But we can use AI docents.
You can use, but already AI is not included.
Yeah, AI is not yet included, but in the
okay.
future we will.
In the future.
Yeah, this is an example.
I think that would be good if you give the option when I upload my video. Based on that video, I try to type or voice as an input plus video, and then the character will try to talk my content, my text input. That would be good.
That would be awesome. And we are, in the future we plan to do it, but for
Yes.
now, yeah, not yet.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. 감사합니다.
Can we upload chromatic video like this?
Not yet.
크로마 비디오 맞아요.
지금 업로드가 가능하냐고 해서 지금은 아직 안 되고 미래에 가능할 것 같아요.
네, 기능을 만들 수 있어요.
We can implement, but in the free version exhibition, not yet implement. Yeah, but in the future we will plan.
비즈니스 카드
As you can see, this company is related to the DX design and content. They provided some content which makes some interaction between the user and the content inside. For instance, you can choose the environment, go inside each scene, you turn on, turn off the light, or here maybe change the amount of the air conditioner aircon, or try to make some interaction with the characters. And this solution of this company is a B2B. They didn't offer any platform for now. This is the information of this company. Optologics is a company which introducing some lens. They designed the lens. This lens used for military purpose and for security purpose. So could you please more explain about the application?
It's a kind of mirror device for almost blind people, such as low view or color blindness, like 이거 왜 화면 걸렸지? This how to work.
Yes.
Like color blindness for people, color correction, and it's great.
This showing here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a screen how you can see here your device.
So this is done through some process, not only lens,
Yes.
but also some CPU analyzing, right?
Yes, this engine could be in smartphone, in OS.
So what is the know-how of your company? Is it lens or is it software?
Lens and software too.
So this is the one application. How about the another application?
This
Because-
is one application.
So he said this sort of lens can be used for security and for military.
Yes.
So can you give more example?
우리 쪽에서 군사용이나 보안용으로 예시를 달라는데.
우리나라 그 대기업 쪽에 군사용 장비에 사용되어졌다는 설마 쉽지 않은데?
픽셀러 should check.
우리나라 기업체
그렇게 하면 더 체크
얘기했던 거는 이제 비결적인데 아빠가 얘기했던 건 렌즈가 이제 군사용이나 그쪽으로 사용된다니까 이게 동일한 저건지
아니 뭐 다른 제품인데 군사용으로도 사용되어져 있다라고요.
So we supply the lens and software, and lens are using for military and security for service also.
Oh, okay. What they are doing? They are using for education.
Yes, that's another example.
So can you explain?
That's not our project. We are
Contribute.
yes, or smaller, like this for your device. For this.
So this is for zooming, only
Yes,
zooming.
yes, just a zooming.
So what the lens do here?
이게 뭐 하는 렌즈야? 이게 왜 필요하냐고?
이걸 확대하기 위해서 밑에 보이는 이쪽으로 칠판을 보고 있잖아. 이걸 확대하기 위해서.
This is a kind of cam to
줌이
reflection this screen.
So using your lens.
Yes,
So here is just increase the zooming.
yes.
Whenever you want to read something, you cannot
Yes.
use the lens. How about here?
We
VR.
here's the lens is the on cam and software is on smartphone. So connection wireless in VR and smartphone.
So this is a smartphone. Where is your lens?
This smartphone lens using same lens.
Your lens.
Yes.
So you already designed for lens for the smartphone?
Not only smartphone and another too.
Okay. They offer a VR-based application to train the kids for accident protection. So in the cities, there is many possibility accident here happen for kids. They try to design some headset. Through the headset, they try to train. So where is the name card?
We already that is
네, 넌 관람 신들이. So what is your company name? Tokoro.
Scan then
We first scan the QR code and then
sorry. Check it.
this is the 3D
Okay.
market.
Push this button. And put this button. Okay. Okay. Cardboard wearing and theorem.
또 چشمی برای
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Check this and then 메뉴가 and then
이거는 이제 저희가 이제 직접 제작한
change around view like this. Check index
이것도 학습지가 있고 이렇게 이제
and then
성산
another view. See.
So this is a doctor, right?
독도.
And for instance, this is how much?
15,000원, 15,000원, and this 22,000원.
이건 뭐예요?
This is student for kid.
Some question for?
Okay. Educational my English.
Catalog.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Like this, and then cardboard VR postcard.
VR.
Card and cardboard like
This one, right? This one.
this is set.
So,
Set for 22,000원.
that means okay.
We have another.
2,000 Korean won equal $20.
Okay. We have another one 제주 and 대구 and 서울. We have four package. Okay.
여기다가
And then
십자가를
this is 서울 한양 캐피털 포트리스.
Yes.
북한산 and 서울 한양도성. 한양에 sorry. Okay. You can see like this purple scan then
이번에 세계문화에서
Okay.
sorry.
무산도 만들었어요. 세계문화에서
Thank you. Introduce the company.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go for Kevin.
Alright,
Could you please explain about the solution?
sure. So COEX Vista is like specialized for converting the 360 footage data to 3D spatial data. So with the 360 camera over there, you can simply get that from the market easily. You can just grab the camera with a selfie stick, or you can attach that on the helmets. Just walking along all the spaces. Like, you don't have to like strictly up the camera, but you can just like holding very freestyle. Like, you can put it on the downstairs or even like the upstairs. Just easily, freely just bring the camera and then capture the area. And then whenever you finish the capture, upload your data to our cloud system.
Yes.
Whenever you finish the uploading process, our AI will process that to converting from images to the 3D.
3D.
So if you see here, currently we convert the data as a mesh data, which is like all the image textured mesh, and the point cloud data. So this is the texture mesh data, and this is the point cloud data. So just uploading the one video file, you'll get these two different 3D model data.
So input is the video.
Input is the video.
And how about if input is the few number of the image also possible? For instance, you capture several panorama image or few single photos and pictures also possible to make a 3D?
We don't take the singular images, we only take the videos. So if you upload the video data, even though it's like a lot of sequence of the video, you will get this like spot panoramic images. This is like our AI will automatically generate this, we call it as a panel, all create this panel bubbles along with your walking path. So like you don't have to control anything, but our AI will automatically generate this. But if you...
So what is this?
This line is like your walking path, and then this bubble is the panoramic images. So you can click it, and then you can see the panoramic views.
The user did something or not? Your software doing this panoramic view?
Yeah, everything from our own software.
And also including the location, right?
Sorry?
I mean the location of the users.
Yes.
This is including the coordinate, special data.
Yes, that's correct.
When you record the video and make this data set, 3D data, then every users go this place and take a picture. Can you find the users' positions?
I mean, basically like this is the user, like this is like the capture, because capture will just like holding the camera and they're just walking along, so you can find the people. But if you like to see, so per se, if there's a lot of people capturing these images, but we don't process like multiple files together, so it has to be solely processed from your videos.
Not multiple person.
No.
My point is the process, because I defined for one master student same topic nearly. The topic was the user should go indoor area, and indoor area there is no GPS. So the purpose was using the iPhone, at that time was the 13 Pro, using the iPhone, using the LiDAR and RGB to make a 3D. After make a 3D, again another user, if visited same places, take a picture like you are inside the parking area. You want to know your location. Or you want to show your car, or anyway, by taking picture, then giving to your system can find that picture is matched to which frame.
I mean,
vice versa.
Technically, that's working, and then we have the feature in another product, and then it's like not how you just explained, but whenever you capturing with the 360 camera, and then
not with a special camera, with a smartphone.
Yeah. So in our app for the another products, whenever you capture with the 360 camera, we allow you to take a capture with your phone. So whenever you capture with your phone, that phone images will be attached in here with the more like way higher quality images, but not like process after. So 360 camera, 2D images, everything will process at the same time, but not afterwards. So you're saying whenever we have this data and then you capture with your phone later and then try to find that location on the model, right?
Yes.
But that's not gonna work.
Your system not gonna work.
It's not gonna work that way.
So let's say like this. We have some shopping mall. You do data preparation and data processing using your model. Just make a video and very quickly make a 3D model. Then project finish. And then any users, if they are inside the shopping mall, just take a picture to send to your server, show the location where they are to send to friends. I am where? I don't know where I am inside shopping mall. Or sometime vice versa. You want to find some product, just you text or image of that product, the system go and find that one and routing you to that place.
I mean, the concept you just explained is very interesting. I totally feel that is very interesting, but from our system that we can't process that way.
Because we already did for master student, already graduated with this topic. So maybe you are more focused to the data processing and data preparation part, but we more focus in the front end part for more application, especially for who wants to do like GIS, Jumbo system, GIS system application. So maybe if we mix these two, can be
like some sort of like navigation system.
Yes, navigation system. But purely is based on the video and image.
That's correct.
But anyway, this is actually at the beginning I asked the student to do this, but because of it is very time consuming and lack of time, so the student didn't go for this one. So you already did this part.
Well, I don't know if you heard about Firmament, but we provide the educational license to the students. So we provide the camera. We can also give the lectures, all kind of support to the students. So if you are interested, you can email me about that, and then we'll have the meeting, and then we can arrange this together.
Okay, sure. Maybe for next semester, then I will have a I need to make a plan to, for inviting you to our school to have a presentation or project using your software. That would be good for your company and also good for the student to know about this nice solution. So
it's still free.
Yeah, it's still free, yes.
So how they can through the web, right? Through this address they can connect, right?
So this is the Bureau app, but if you take that brochure, there is the website with it at the right top. So if you go to the website, there are all the information like our tutorial, sample data, and the Bureau app to the redirection to the Bureau app.
Okay, that would be nice. Okay. So thank you very much.
No problem. Thanks for being interesting to our products, and then I'd love to have the meeting with you in the future to arrange the...
Me too.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is the company. They are offering several LiDAR tools, which is used for AI and which can be implemented in the drones. So the solution is the Zolix Smart HG solution. The users can carry like backpack and move. This is the UAV spectral imaging camera, high spectral image mini.
상세 스캔해서 데이터를 여기다가
Hello.
Hello.
Yesterday I see.
Yes, right. So no problem.
상세 스캔은 여기 요
잘생긴 남자 출동. 잘생긴 남자 출동.
상세 스캔한 거야?
하지마. 출동.
얘는 2.7기가 정도 주는데 아무래도 이제 포토그래피
Could you please the price of the device I am recording? So this is how much? $8,000. So this is this one, right?
Yes.
And چیزش رو specificationش رو So this is the for spec of this handheld spectral. Okay.
보통 분리수거 할 때
How about this one?
PC 이런 걸 찾아내는 카메라.
Yes.
얘는 이게 두 개랑 다른 장르. 얘는 라이다랑 머리 내부 결벽 제도 이런 걸 해면은 정면 스캐너를 제가 왜 필요하냐면
And also this one.
중공검사 다 끝난 다음에 이런 소송 방지용 제대로 이걸 지었는지 안 지었는지 그런 높이값 조경 얼마나 심었는지 그런 거 기록하는 장비라고 네 말씀하신 그 건설사 쪽에 하는 거 많이 이제 SDSS는 이게 있을지 모르겠는데
This is 8,000.
So this is $8,000.
Maybe I'm not calculating.
Maybe 100,000.
No.
What they need.
Yeah, 10,000. 14,000.
14,000. This is the professional UAV LiDAR scanning system, right?
Mounting on car.
Oh, this is a pointing car.
Yes. On the car.
For mobile mapping system, right?
Yes.
Okay. How much accuracy, for instance, for the track of the highway, right, can detect
A heartbeat, sir?
if you connect to the car
Yes.
and then make a 3D map, right?
Yes.
And if in the highway the asphalt is a track,
Yes.
can detect.
Yes.
So how much the accuracy?
I'm so sorry, I'm not good at this hardware.
Oh, okay, thank you.
손님
있죠.
Maybe 3 or 5. The error. The
Precise, accuracy. Centimeter. And this is the hyperspectral UAV, right?
No, this is just drone and this is LiDAR.
Okay. So then, price is how much?
This one is
Okay, is enough. Okay, for this company, which they used some sort of solution for the kids when they are playing with the block, any sort of device is okay to make a video. Okay, this company using some Lego shape, like this is presenting each sort of instrument, and then when you the kids when they choose the instrument, and then they can have their own concert. So if we change the blocks, then what would be happen? If for example combine this one with then band would be different. This is for 2, right? And can control by kids or cannot? I mean, can control it or is fixed? Music is fixed.
Fixed? Yeah.
Fixed.
1단계부터 4단계까지.
Okay. Only.
Means 4 of these instruments.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Okay. So let's change now. Before was this one, right? Now 1. Then maybe another. Okay.
2, 1. 더 빨라지는 거고 음악 장르 뮤직 장르는 팝, 재즈, 펑크, 댄스 때마다 뮤직 체인지.
Okay, so this is the book, right?
This book, repeated.
So could you please explain this one?
This book,
Okay, so what is this?
그래피툰
Yes.
소스 콘텐츠 크리에이티브
Yes.
모션 드로잉 캐릭터
예를 들어서 이거 어떻게 해요 지금?
넣게 되면은 움직이게 되는. 애니메이션.
Okay. So what is the application name?
motion drawing.
Motion drawing.
This drawing, motion drawing.
No, software name is
Graphito.
Graphito. And then how use this one? Or how connection?
Yeah. 교재 connection.
숙제 is a assignment at home.
Tutorial book.
Tutorial.
Tutorial book.
Okay.
소개해서 다운로드.
Okay. So this. So do you have a name card? Myongam.
영암.
This company already created 3D contents for the safety, and they introduce several solutions. Metaverse-based social safety platform.
제 연락처를 거기다 주소로
사실 이제 메디컬 시스템으로 하든 뭐 제조 시스템으로 하든 어제 같은 경우는 이제 LG 소식분들이 이제 제조도 할 수 있냐고 저희 가능합니다. 근데 LLM이라는 게 대용량 언어 모델을 갖고 있어서 여러 가지 정보를
Actually, I'm not fluent in English.
No, it's okay. Just simple English is okay.
Yeah, so we have two kind of business about
Yes.
B2C and B2B.
Yes.
And B2C is we have make some 3D tool,
Yeah.
so make the fashion 3D tool. If you want to be make some closet,
Yes.
so very how can I say? We have two kind of tool. It's
Yes.
like a conversion. So if you have if you're a creator on the Geppetto, do you know?
Yes.
So Geppetto asset, so you can do the other platform, but you can if you use our tool, you can use it any platform. We have to change it to another avatar spec.
So this is the environment to create the asset for the metaverse.
Yeah. But many creators just focusing only one platform, but their lead is going to the other platform. But it's totally different to the avatar spec. But our solution is very easily to change the other avatar spec. So that's why we call the conversion.
Conversion.
Yeah.
How many platforms you support?
Is a creator.
Yes.
About now is our beta testing. So about 200 between 1,000. Last month we will be start B2C tool.
That's pretty cool. Okay. And the name card. This is the name.
We already.
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They are introducing this new solution.
Yeah, I will give you like this. It's okay? Yeah. You need this?
The spec of this company, the compared to the other commercial company, they are offering very light headset, HMR. This is the spec. Okay, thank you. This company, they are offering the air gesture control as same as the 5-minute install, very quickly, no code integration. Then you can use, like my hand is moving. This is the metaverse environment, and hello. What is the company name?
Oh, our company is the Sandbox.
Sandbox.
Yeah, we're a metaverse platform. We provide services for users.
So no problem.
Oh yeah,
video.
no problem.
Okay.
We are a UGC platform, so users can utilize our tool that we provide and make contents like games and social hubs. So what you're looking at is an experience, like a game that was created in collaboration with a drama company named A Story, and this is like a game with the theme of a real drama that is on air on Disney Plus called Crash. And so
what's the drama name?
Crash.
Crash.
Yes.
Okay.
So like basically the storyline is the same as the drama's theme. Users can become a police officer that resolves traffic related crimes. So users can press E and get on a car to solve missions, and so like they have to avoid obstacles, and it's like it's basically a game.
And what are the difference between this platform and other existing platform, metaverse platform?
The difference is that we actually provide tools for users to create their own experiences in games, and it's much super easier compared to other metaverse tools such as Unity and like 3D engines. So we provide two tools, Box Edit and Game Maker, and users can create these assets, box assets, through the Box Edit tool, and the Game Maker tool is a tool that users use to actually use the assets they created and the NFTs they bought from our marketplace to create an actual game.
So you are giving the platform like Unity to make a metaverse.
Yeah, that's right.
So how much is the price?
Oh, the tools are provided for free.
For free?
Yeah, users can access the tools through our homepage.
Yes.
And I'll show it to you in English. So you can create experiences by downloading the Game Maker this is the game actual like visual of the game maker. So users can access the game maker and create their experiences through this tool, like set logics and place assets and apply rules to the game. And we also have events for creators to freely produce their experiences and gain rewards in sand. It's called the Game Jam. It's like a contest that users participate to submit their own experiences. And also there. And this is a tool named Box Edit where users can create their own assets.
So they can create the metaverse from A to Z for free?
Yes. And in order to publish the experiences, users have to own a land. Yes. And a land is an NFT. NFT. Yeah, so users can buy lands through two methods. One is a land sale that we have. So and the second one is through an OpenSea. It's a secondary market where landowners sell the lands they have, like as an NFT. So users can buy their lands through these methods and publish their experiences that they created on their own land. So, like for example, on the map, you can see this a game icon. This is an actual experience, like a metaverse published through a land, published on a land.
And what is the benefit for you if everything free, platform free, component free? Then
our mechanism for monetization is basically selling NFTs. So yeah, this is a map where all the lands are gathered together, and on these lands are all sold through our land sale. So we gain we earn money through land sales, and we have diverse mechanisms of monetization, but and we also have our marketplace where the NFTs are sold. There are NFTs that we sell, and where users sell through buying items where they can publish their NFTs on the marketplace, and also we sell avatars. Avatars are also NFTs, and these users can become these avatars in the metaverse. They can control it.
So do you have an educational video how to make a metaverse?
Yeah, of course.
Which is useful for a student?
Yeah, we have programs that we where those who want to become creators can learn how to use these tools, and also you can find lectures online through YouTube. You can just type in the sandbox, and there will be hundreds of lectures lectures and tutorials.
You mean just search through the sandbox? They will receive some YouTube? You mean?
We have workshops, and we have programs to teach those who want to become creators, both online and offline.
Offline also possible?
Yeah, it's also possible. So
do you have an internship program for a student?
Internship program, yeah. At this moment, we have no plan for internship program at the Korean office, but I don't know how. I don't know there is some internship program at our global office. Yeah.
Global is in Seoul or?
No. Our HQ is based in the Paris. Yeah.
Paris.
Yeah.
Yes.
We are a global company, and we have around 300 to 400 people in our company globally.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have a name card to contact people?
Here's my business card. It's Moses.
Yes. Okay.
That was it. In English or Korean?
In English,
English,
please.
okay. So I'm gonna record this video. So this is Wise Up Studio. We are having a virtual screen in a presenter and the contents and an audience.
Yes.
And we are zooming in virtually so that we can introduce what are we gonna talking about. And after that, when we are talking about the slides presenter, and then we are having like we are checking wherever what it is, changing the scenes like this. It can be PowerPoint, slides, images, videos, any types of formats are possible. And when we are talking with the audience, then we are zooming in that screen. And not only the actual camera, but also the screen of the the online presentations, so that we can changing the scenes according to where you have to focus on. And then we are automatically changing the scenes virtually. And we also can changing the scenes according to what we have on our slides. And we also have those examples of our content. We can changing the content using our virtual switchers, and it can be recorded, or the screen you're watching can be live streaming as it is, so that no other specific tools you need to watch these videos out of our solution.
But one of the challenges we had during especially Corona, writing. So by mouse is very difficult to write in the screen.
So
what is
we
the solution?
suggest to use the Wacom tablet and connect Wacom tablet to our PC. Then the Wacom tablet, whatever you write on it, you can be connected. Or as you are seeing right there, we also have the electrical board. So electrical board, whatever you have writing, it goes directly to that. So I'm pretty sure Sejong universities also have like their lecture has the virtual screen. You can write on it. Our software can capture that monitors and then write on that input here. So I know mouse is not for writing, it's just for checking. But instead of using this, you can use your iBoard pen and then connect it directly to this.
Okay.
So many of our customers who are teachers are using Wacom tablets with this.
But I think it's not much comfortable. For instance, during the Corona, Sejong University provide for us Wacom tab, but it was hard to connect to the computer. Then we try to use some other solution.
But for our solution,
you don't have your solution is completely compatible, right?
Sure. Because some of our customers who are having a studio with our solution are using Wacom tablet, so it's proved. And in our studio in Gwanghwamun and Gangmyeong, we also use the Wacom tablet.
How about connecting other tablets?
Other tablets are possible, of course.
Much easy to, when you're writing, it's better to see what you're writing in the same screen.
I know.
Typical right here and see over there.
Okay, I know what it is. So, like Galaxy tablet or iPad is also compatible, but sometimes it's different because the version is different, so we need to test. But as long as the recent one, they are compatible.
Your solution very interesting. Is there any way you offer the software in like a very reasonable price. I mean,
price.
with a less functionality. Less functionality, which any users without depend on the university support, any professor or any YouTuber, they can create their own, content. Just simple. Did you go for that way? Because the price, as you mentioned, it is like $30,000, right?
To purchase the software. But you can also subscribe our software like monthly base. You pay monthly. Like $350 per month. Yes.
Even it's expensive.
What's that?
Even it's expensive.
It depends. But what do you think? How much would you think as a reasonable price? Do you mean?
Because many new AI software already come to the market. For instance, any AI based. So usually they offer a very low price.
But our subscription model price including the supports. So our technology managers are involved. So we are having support and software.
Okay. So let me, thank you very much. Actually, you need to wear some glasses to see the 3D, but just yes. Could you please explain? I'm recording the video.
It's a brochure, it's
No problem.
Korean.
No problem. Just show me, please.
Okay. This is a network technology for the network for the AR, VR, something like that. In this kind of service, they need some in-time, on-time service. They, for example, when you have some service, VR service, it's a very important for the exactly on-time service, right? Interaction. For example, they can tell the remote seminar. It's gonna be the 840 megabytes per second. But nowadays the network only focus on the volume. How much volume can send. But
Yes.
in our technique, it's also Korean. AR, VR, for example, it's another side. For example, the sender and receiver, they need exactly on time the service they want to get, right? That's why we have a three part of the techniques in here. And the viewpoint of this server, it has a protocol part in here and server part, the current part in the server. That's why we developed a new protocol instead of the TCP. Normally TCP is a little bit slow, low performance for the slow start, right? That's why we make our own protocol for this kind of a feature it has. We also have this ITF, the standardization, the submit our protocol, and also we have some special techniques to. Okay, if the packet comes in, it has normally packet have.
Okay, this company from here most focus about the law and AI and any contract preparation for the law they offer the AI solution. So as well as also another company like this, since this is nearly they are using the low chat GPT. Okay, I already have it yesterday. Okay, and just simply you can connect to here using the AI-based solution. Thank you. And this is the like chatbot. You can talk through the LLM, and you can edit the environment. And that is the. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you. And Brain Lab also similar is they are claiming that best legal AI translator. So they are translate based on the different language. Just one question.
Yeah.
Could you please shortly again explain about
Yeah, of course.
So
our service is AI learning translation. So actually there are lots of translators in the world, but our service is very specialized in translating legal documents or patent documents. So our AI engine has been learned by legal parts.
Content.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
And how many language you support?
Now we're supporting 7 languages.
7 languages.
Yeah. Now Korean, English, Chinese, Japanese, and Indonesian. And in Europe countries, Spanish and French and German.
Why don't you support the Persian? We are from Iran.
Yeah. Oh,
and
really?
Persian is very strong language, and also many countries, maybe around the 3 to 400 million people using. Several, not only Iran, but also Tajikistan, Afghanistan, and some other countries around the Iran they are using.
Yeah. Actually, we have a reason because we need many kinds of data to practice our AI engine. But now we can get enough data.
Data, you mean enough contract?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
We need each pair from Persian and English or Korean, but we don't have any enough data now.
Okay, so if we give enough data, then you will add the Persian to them, to your application.
Yeah.
Okay, so may I have your name? Card, please.
Is his name Kurt?
Yes.
Our product manager.
Okay, so I put in the video. So okay, so can I have it? I think yesterday I have it, but let's. Okay.
Yeah.
So any question?
No, thank you.
So in terms of when you are talking about the Persian content, means you need input many sample contract, legal contract.
I think they need pair to pair.
Yeah, right.
Korean, Persian, same, exactly same to train the machine and them.
So why don't you? Because if this is the case, because now many engine, many LLM very strong.
Yeah.
You have a English legal document. Easily you could ask, give me the Persian. They will translate to Persian.
From other LLM?
No. You have, for instance, many English data.
Yeah.
You have many Korean data.
Yeah.
Easily you can use like ChatGPT, Gemini to convert to the Persian. So why you need separate? Is it different
you mean
from?
We have. You mean go to it's the way to use multilingual model.
Yes.
But in that case, we cannot catch the accurate. Yeah.
There is maybe some sort of yes, phrases or terminologies for the legal issue, which LLMs cannot translate properly. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye. You too. But this is the another one, BHSN, another legal-based company, and then this is the another company. They are offering contract accelerator throughout Reader. And LexisNexis also is a global law-based company, and the Super Layer is another one similar. Lbox as well. Since we don't have much time, so I need to hello. This is the another low boots. Nearly exhibition is going to close, so
그래서 조금 천천히 오셔도 되긴 하는데
This is the company already focused to the software and integration between the VR headset together, managed by some software. This software can manage several VR headsets together. There is some server side, manager side, which some client side would consider as a client by using the headset. Here there is some tools which the managing part side, they can manage the headset by using the some software. They have a could you please explain about the application of your company and the device which you are using?
In English?
Yes.
English?
It's okay.
Three camera using three sensors, three kind of sensors. So LED, LiDAR sensor, and RGB sensors, and IR sensor.
Yes.
Using three kinds of sensors, so our camera is so precise.
Yes.
Size of precision of our camera,
so it's a three size. One is the size one.
Size one.
There is a three camera, right?
Yeah.
So this is the first camera.
Syncap 3D camera, and we have depth camera and vision camera.
Do you have a picture of the depth camera? Okay.
So this is depth.
Okay, this is the depth camera, and the third one.
We don't have third camera.
Okay, the picture. Okay. So what are the difference between these three camera?
Depth camera only scan the depth, so it's little precision.
Okay.
The other camera.
So what is the accuracy of the depth camera?
Oh yeah, I don't know well.
Okay.
As I know, usually more than centimeter.
More than centimeter.
Yes.
Okay.
Not that much accurate.
Okay. And then how about the price? Three camera. This is how much?
This is 3,500.
3,500. Okay. And the depth camera?
That is actually I don't know.
Okay. Okay. So thank you very much, and the website is here. Okay. Thank you very much. Explain about the device, how many device you have, and what is difference between each device. what is the application of your company and what are the advantages of this device compared to the other company?
Actually, I'm intern of this company.
Yeah, no problem, just simply. Don't worry. So Ihan Credit Company.
Yeah.
So could you please explain about your company product?
My English
Yeah, it's okay.
So this is
Training.
So this is for training for factory worker.
Yeah.
Through the VR.
Yeah. So we this year we developed a tool, make tool. It's contents based tool. So company make these contents by this tool.
Tools.
So workers training.
Yes, yes. They do training. What is the strength of your product compared to another company? I saw similar company, they are doing same. What is your strength? Yes. So you have some 3D camera, depth camera to create?
Yeah, 3D scanning and 3D object.
So you have a software plus some hardware to make 3D, right?
Yeah.
So how much does it cost? How you sell the software or you get the project?
Yeah.
اینا رو بعدا من کات کنیم و بیننده تلفن میشه
این الان هم استوب کنیم اما بهترین کار اینه که خودت ببازی یه بار دیتا بگیری
2 دقیقه کار رو 10 دقیقه داری بزنیم مثلا خارجی اینطوری موبایل رو ببینم این نشون میده یه چپ بی‌کیفیت. Okay, so cost not decided yet. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.